Hello and welcome back to Swing Trading Masterclass by Wealthy Education. In this video, we're taking a look at something called a Marubozu. Marubozu comes in the bullish and bearish flavor, and they simply look like this. They have no wick on either side. They are bullish and bearish. And if you think about it, what does this mean? Well, in the bullish one, we basically we opened at the low and closed at the high. That's pretty bullish. It doesn't get much more bullish than that. Same thing over here in the bearish one. This simply means that we fell and just couldn't pick ourselves back up. So with that in mind, it shows just how, at least during that day, hour, 15 minutes, whatever it is you're trading, that the market was very one-directional. And these candlesticks typically do have quite a bit of follow through. You buy on a break in the case of the bullish one on the top of it, and the bearish one you sell on a break below, and you put a stop on the other side of the candlestick. So with that being said, let's take a look at a couple of examples. I have a Marubozu here on the US dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair, 1 hour chart. You can see that we had been rallying, and then we close this very bearish candlestick right at the lows. That's a very negative sign, and you see that we did in fact break down pretty significantly down to this area here, which had been resistance previously, ended up being support. Of course, the 1.35 level is an area, of course, that would attract a certain amount of attention due to the fact that it is a large round figure. Apple, one of Wall Street's favorite stocks, has a Marubozu in it right there. It's a small one, but it is there. So on a break of the highs of that, you would go long. You'd put your stop here, and you can see that there was no trouble whatsoever. Again, during that hour, all they were doing was buying. Here in Cardano, we have a bullish Marubozu here on the hourly chart. Stop loss goes behind it. You buy on a break of it. It's just a continuation of the bullish pressure for quite some time. Marubozus do happen on daily charts, but they're much more common on intraday charts like an hourly, because if you think about it, it makes quite a bit of sense. During the course of the day, one would think that, the opposite direction could at least push back a little bit. It's pretty rare that they don't. In the next video, I'll add some indicators to the chart and show you exactly how you could have capitalized on these trades on top of the fact that we had the candlestick pattern itself.